Hello, guys. Welcome back to my class, English in Minutes. Today, we're going to have a look at lesson number 7, adverbs of frequency. Okay, this might be something that you already use, but today we will have a look at what it is and how can we use it. So let's start on our first page, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. Yeah, it's almost like a chart. So common adverbs from most least frequency. So the first one, always. That means it's like 100%. I always do it. Usually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. On to the next slide. Position in a sentence. So where should we use them? Number one, before the main verb. Okay, so for an example, I always wake up early. Okay, wake up is our main verb. So that means we're going to first use our absent of frequency. Then she often reads before bed. On to the next page. Position in a sentence for verb to be. So for a verb to be, we are going to use it before our adverb of frequency. He is usually tired after work. They are never late. Okay, it is rules. We have to follow these grammar rules. So again, this will help you with your speaking and your writing. Next one, position in a sentence. Number 3, between auxiliary and main verb. So I'll explain this one to you guys. Let's have a look at what is the auxiliary. That is have or doesn't. That is your auxiliary. The main verb is been or eat. Okay, so let's have a look at these sentences. The first one, I have never been there. Okay, we can see it is in between auxiliary and main verb. The next one, she doesn't often eat sweets. The next page, a question. How do we use them in a question? So we're going to say, how often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? The next one, do you usually work on weekends? Okay, do you usually work on weekends? Here are some short examples. I sometimes drink coffee at night. We rarely go out during the week. He never forgets his homework. Tips for learners. So on this page, never and rarely already means not. Okay, so these two means not. So we do not use another negative. Okay, so the first sentence, our incorrect sentence, I don't never eat meat. The correct part, I never eat meat. Okay. So we don't have to use don't because we already have the word never. So don't is going to fall away and we're just going to say never. Then our next lesson, lesson number 8, we are going to have a look at prepositions of place. Thank you so much for joining today's class. Remember to hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.